Hi friends, my name is Miss Alyssa and today we're going to read another story. Today's story is But No Elephants. But no elephants. I like elephants, do you? Grandma Tildy lived all alone. She worked hard every day. She had no time to play. See here, she's picking apples. One day, a man came to the house. He was selling pets. "Would you like to buy a canary bird?" he said. "Very well," said Grandma Tildy, "but no elephants." Grandma Tildy was cooking stew. The bird wanted to help, so he sang a song for her. It made Grandma Tildy happy. Singing makes me happy too. That night, they sat down to eat the stew together, and it tasted better than ever before. Look, he's so small, he has to sit on all of these books so he can reach the table. The next day, the pet man came again. "Would you like to buy a beaver?" he asked. "Very well," said Grandma Tildy, "but no elephants." Grandma Tildy needed firewood. The beaver wanted to help, so he cut the wood with his sharp teeth. Look at all the wood she's got. That night they sat in front of a warm fire. Aren't they nice and cozy in their house? And there's the canary, still singing. Grandma Tilda went shopping. She met the pet man again. "Would you like to buy a turtle?" he asked. "Very well," she said, "but no elephants." Look how sad he is. Grandma Tildy was tired. The turtle wanted to help, so he carried her home on his back. What a strong turtle. That night, Grandma Tildy washed the turtle and put him to bed. The next day it rained hard. The roof started to leak. Then someone knocked on the door. It was you-know-who. The beaver seems pretty happy. Like they've got umbrellas and pots and pans. No one wants to get wet in their house. "Would you like to buy a woodpecker?" the pet man asked. "Very well," said Grandma Tildy, "but no elephants." The woodpecker wanted to help, so he nailed the roof down tight. The dripping stopped. That night they danced all together in a warm, dry house. The days got colder and colder. Grandma Tildy put food in jars for the winter. "I don't like the cold," she said. Just then the pet man appeared. Look, they've got apples and maybe some pickles and maybe some beets and beans and other things. Lots of good things to eat. Uh-oh. "Would you like to buy an elephant?" he asked. "He's the only animal left, and I must leave before it snows." "No, no elephants!" shouted Grandma. She went back to her work. The pet man left. But the elephant stayed. It started to snow, and it kept on snowing. And snowing, and snowing, and snowing. "No elephants," said Grandma Tildy. But the elephant would not go. They could not see the elephant now, but they could hear him crying. They felt sad. Hmm. Very well, said Grandma Tildy. You may come in. The elephant was as happy as could be. Look how happy he is. But the elephant had a problem. He could not get through the door, so they all helped push him inside. Oh dear, I hope the floor is strong. This is a very old house, said Grandma Tildy. Outside, the snow kept falling. But inside the house it was cozy and warm. Everyone hoped winter would go away soon and spring would come. That night there was a terrible crash. Look, they've all woken up. The elephant had fallen through the floor. We can't fix this, said Grandma. You will just have to stay there. Uh-oh, he's stuck. The winter was long and soon the firewood was gone. The elephant was always hungry. He kept eating and eating and eating until all the food was gone. We cannot leave or we will freeze, said Grandma Tildy. We cannot stay or we will starve. What are we to do? They have no more food. The elephant felt sorry. He thought of a way to help. He started to walk. See his legs? Let's see where they go. He walked and walked and walked and walked. There they go. When he stopped, they were in a warm, sunny place. And that is where Grandma Tildy and her friends are today. Look! Welcome, elephants! Look at all of them. That seems like a nice place to be. The end. Well, I hope you enjoyed this story with me, and I will be back again soon to read you another story. For now, I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!